Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends. Let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Plane. When were they born? What time were they born? What time were they born? Born.
Were they both born in the United States?
What happened in 1903?
Were their names rare in 1903?
Were the names rare in 1903?
The brothers were famous for the first time. During the flight, what did they think about?
They flew a few planes. Do they still fly planes?
When did people see their plane for the first time?
They flew a plane for the first time. Flew. They flew a plane for the first time.
After that, people wanted to fly planes all the time.
When the brothers flew the first plane, they wore special Clothes.
Clothes.
Glasses. Crackers. Boats. Camels.
Did they fly a plane in 1903?
The first plane from 1903 didn't
Forget.
like today's plane. Kiss like today's planes.
Where did they leave from?
What happened in 1903?
Look.
Brown.
Brown.
No, he did not have brown hair.
Yellow.
He loved yellow flowers.
Celebrate. Create. Weak. Worse.
Create.
Dishes.
Kitchen.
Under. Old.
There are more plates in the kitchen.
Russians sometimes have cold soup in the summer.
I'm inviting guests. Inviting.
No, thank you. I'm a really bad dancer. You. No, thank you. I'm a really bad dancer. Really. No, thank you. I'm a really bad dancer. Dancer. I was out of town on my mom's birthday.
Sorry, I'm busy on the 14th. On the 14th.
photos.
I can't go dancing. I have 2 left feet. I can't go dancing. I have 2 left feet. I can't go dancing. I have 2 left feet.
Do Russians like peanut butter? Do Russians like peanut butter? Do Russians like peanut butter?
I can't go dancing. I have 2 left feet.
Do Russians like peanut butter?
Choose. Night.
Create. Holiday.
Choose.
Soccer game.
On Friday, there is a basketball game.
Choose. Where is the list of chores?
Let's add some funny pictures. Let's add some funny... Add. Bad. Add.
I have to choose only one person. Choose. Only person.
Add some.
Is. Chores. Your. List.
On Sunday, is there a soccer game?
On Tuesday, I want to a game.
worry, the basketball game starts at 4 o'clock. Don't worry, the basketball game starts at 4 o'clock. Don't worry, the basketball game starts at 4 o'clock.
The hockey game starts at 6 o'clock. The hockey game starts at 6 o'clock.
This